Welcome to new video. In today's video I will present you the top 5 tips on how to save money more easily and how to save with so little money and great wishes. Pay yourself first. By this we mean that, for example, when you receive a salary immediately, set aside money for savings. When the money goes into your account, set aside 20% of your monthly income and put it aside. You can pay it into a special account or put it in an envelope and not touch it. The advantages are that you will have this money at your disposal for something you did not expect, and it comes to you, so you do not have to worry about how to get extra money that will be lacking in such an opportunity. Also, after a while, when the money would pile up, you could afford something bigger like a car or a trip and enjoy it. Or perhaps the best option is to invest in a private business and become financially independent over time. Buy only the necessary things. First, sit down and make a list of things you really need to buy that you really need. Forget the rest immediately and buy only the necessary things. Let's start with food. We are used to every lunch with meat. Change those habits and introduce more vegetables and soups. We are left with bread regularly and then we throw it away. Toast the old bread in a toaster and make a warm and crispy sandwich, or cut it into cubes. Season with olive oil, oregano and vegeta and toast on a grill pan. You will get nice snacks and you will not throw away bread. Reduce the purchase of snacks and sweets. That way you will spend less money and you will not gain weight. Eat one carrot instead. Although you may not be used to it, in time you will love it and be happy to nibble on it. Teach children from an early age to be bunnies. Whenever you prepare vegetables for lunch, clean them one carrot at a time. Replace card payment with cash. This way you will be more aware that you are spending money, as well as that every waste can cost you a lot. Bring with you only the amount you need for some expense and you will not be able to spend more than that. When paying in cash, we have a better overview of spending and it is harder to put our hand in our pocket. Paying with a card is less painful and it is easier for us to just pull the card, although it is much more convenient to use the card. Think about it. Cook. After a busy day, it is easier to eat something outside or order through delivery, but this way you get a lot more money out of your pocket than if you bought groceries and prepared a meal yourself. It doesn't have to be something difficult or time consuming. Design simple meals that you will be able to quickly prepare or cook a larger amount of food that you will freeze in smaller containers and, if necessary, simply reheat in the oven or microwave. Get envelopes. It is similar to using cash in shopping. Simply get a few envelopes in which you will put money intended for food, gasoline, for going out, or for rent. When you spend money from a certain envelope, there is no spending on those things until the next envelope. Refrain from borrowing from another envelope. Bonus tip: talk to your partner often. If you are in a relationship, it is important that you and your partner have the same financial goals so that you do not quarrel over money. Set a budget and agree on how you will spend it each week. And finally, listen to the advice of the rich. Here is the advice of one of the richest people in the world, the famous investor Warren Buffett. Don't save what you have left after you pay for everything, but spend what you have left after you set aside your savings. People who have gotten rich in one way or another never pay what they don't have to. They are very careful in spending money and do not buy what they do not need. One important quote for Benjamin Franklin tells us how important this is. Watch out for small expenses. A small hole can sink a big ship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.